Good afternoon, everybody. Joe from Joe's Golden Garage here. I am working on the diesel Benz today. I am replacing these. They're old, and the lenses flew off on the interstate. And new ones from Mercedes Benz were like $355 for OEM. Well, I found these little Taiwanese made ones for $85 for the pair. Got new rubber and everything on them. So this is the deal right there. I mean, I don't give a shit if it's OEM or not. But anyway, to do this, you have to reach down in here and unplug your main plug. All it does is just pull off. Just make sure you go to the corner and just pull it. And then there's a tab. See that gray tab right there? That one right there. You press it inwards like that, inwards, and the whole thing just literally just fell out. I mean, that's simple. I haven't done this one. The air box is in the way, so it's probably going to be a little trickier. Let's see. Okay, I see the tab, and I see my plug. See my plug that I'm going to try and put it dead center. It's that black square right there. So, reaching. Shit, I can't get it. Oh. Well, I can if I move the camera, move y'all out of the way. It literally just pulls off. But, you know, due to age and it being on there for 100 damn years, there it goes. Let's see, get y'all in there. Okay, I got it to unplug. That's it right there. A four pin plug. Okay, now I'm going to try and center up the latch. Okay. Dead center right there. See if I can get my fingers on it. See, it's right there. You do that, press that. Wait, maybe you gotta press it the other way. Yep, there you go. Now, how easy is that? Oh, I unplugged the wrong damn. Whoops. Okay, there's your black plug. I think I unplugged the headlight accidentally. It was a little tight in there. But hey, this is a better view anyway. So we got to get this four prong plug undone here. Kind of hard to do one-handed. I mean, that son of a bitch is on there. Here, watch this. I'll put it between these. See if I can give me a good old plastic cut. Cut my leg off. Okay, pause. Okay, I got it unplugged. It took more than 2 hands. I had to get a flathead screwdriver and pry the son of a bitch off. I wish I had some of that. What is it, dielectric grease or, you know, stuff you put in those to give it a little bit of moisture lubricant. Alright, let's try popping one of these in. Let's see which one we got here. I think I have the right one. Yeah, that's the correct one, I believe. So I'll get it plugged back in, and then that just pops in place. And these little guys right there, those tabs, go in these slots right here. So let's just see if we can go ahead and plug it back up first. Okay, I got it plugged up, and I'll line these tabs up right there. There's one at the bottom. You gotta get in that little slot, and one at the top you gotta get in the slot. And then it just, there we go, pushes into place. All right, yes, we are in. Snapped into place. All right, I gotta get my headlight plugged back up. Unplugged the wrong thing. Oops. All right, we'll do the others. Okay, looking much better, much better. Looking much smarter. Much smarter. Not unusual how the paint chipped away right there in that one corner, but not really anywhere else. Oh, poor paint. Cracked. No lacquer. No clear coat. Can't wait to get her done. Oh yeah. Looking much smarter, much smarter.